It's your boy Ramsey Jr. Please, if this is your first time of seeing my video, smash on the subscription button, like, comment and share to enable you get more videos. Today we'll be talking about the easiest way to enter the market to trade successfully. You understand? Yes, we serve it. You first of all identify your high and your lower low. These are the things you need to know before entering into the market. You can't just come and enter into the market without identifying the trend of the market. Yes, let's for instance, you have, just pay close attention and avoid distraction. Let's for instance, you have something like this. You have something like this. Yes. Yeah. This high and this a high, and you want to enter your trade. Yes, you want to enter your trade. Look, first of all, there's something they call accumulation in the market's accumulation. There's something they call market order, accumulation of order, consolidation. I've talked about it in my previous video. Go to the my last video and watch it. Believe me, you understand everything I said about market accumulation, order accumulation. You understand? Yes. Let's for instance, this is a high, this is a high, and this is a high. You understand? In this, if you see a thing like this in the charts, in your chart, just know that we are in uptrend. You understand? We are in bullish trend. Yes. And you want to enter your trade. You make sure you see something they call accumulation, liquidity. You understand? Let me just say you see a thing like this and you want to enter your trade. You won't just come and enter your trade, probably because you think that from this angle to here it has started it has started going up. No, you first of all do your analysis. Well, now from here you might say, okay, price, when price gets from here, and like it from here to here, I will take I'll take my trade. Yes, you might say, okay, when price gets from here to here, I will take my trade. Okay, what if price decided to do a thing like this and pumps back again, and already you have taken your trade here, you get liquidated. So what I'm trying to tell you, before you enter into a trade, you must first of all see what they call liquidity. You must first of all make sure that SMC are done accumulating their order so that you can get liquidated. Now, if you see a thing like this, okay, what if you see a thing like this? Let me delete it. Okay, before you enter your trade, I said it in my previous video, you first of all see a thing. You first of all see a thing like this. This is accumulation of order. They might not be in the same level. You understand? They might not be in the same level. This is what they call accumulation of order. They might not be in the same level. You understand? This thing now is what they call accumulation of order. They might not be in the same level. But before you enter into your trade, make sure that this thing, you see this thing. When we go over to the chart, you understand it properly well. Make sure that you see these things before you enter your trade. Don't just jump into your trade because you think that you've seen the trend and the trend will continue. No, at times markets do, the SMCs do manipulate markets. You understand? So make sure you see a thing like this. Okay, for instance, you see a thing like this and you still want to enter into a trade. Let me delete it and give you, and you still want to enter into your trade. Just for instance, the manipulation, the accumulation happens around here. Sorry, I deleted it. Let's for instance, the accumulation happens around here. Yes, and you want to enter into your trade. Yes, what you do is to make sure that you cover all this liquidity before entering into your trade. Or for instance, market from here pushed up, and there's something they called a break of structure, and you see a kind of break of structure here, and you see a kind of break of structure here. Let me mark it. Let me mark it. Let me quickly mark it. Let me mark it. You see something like break of structure here, here, and here. There is BOS here. BOS means break of structure. You understand? So before you enter into your trade, you make sure that you cover all this liquidity, because there is a possibility that price might get to here and probably get to here. And there, mind you, in this trend, there is POI here. Let me rush and mark it. Let me rush and mark it. Mind you, there is POI over here. You understand? So before you enter into your trade, make sure you cover all this liquidity. You understand? Cover all this liquidity and this break of structure. Let me mark the break of structure. Let me mark the break of structure. Let me mark the break of structure. There is POS here. You understand? So for you to enter into a trade, make sure that you cover all this. Make sure that you covered all this liquidity here. You understand? So because you see a break of structure, there is other block. There's another block here, and this is your point of interest. You want to sell a trade from here. No, it's wrong. I told you initially when I was joining this that you make sure that you see accumulation of order. You see liquidities, because without this liquidity, there is no possibility that the SMCs will give you straight trend, one trend, without making sure that they get their own profit. That your liquidity is their profit. That will make sure. Then now see, this is your POI. You understand? This is your point of interest, and also your order block. This is your point of interest and order block. Yes. So before you enter into your trade, you must allow this order. You must allow this price this here. You must allow price here to get down from here down to this your POI, to this your BOS. You understand? You must allow price to get from there to here before you can be able to enter your trade. Otherwise, you get liquidated. You understand? Let's go over to the chart where I will explain these things properly well to you. You will see it in the live chat where you will understand it. Let's have it. Please, I see say, if this is your first time watching my video, click on the subscription button and comment, like, and share to enable you get more videos. Now look here. Price gets from this point, and mind you, there's another block here, but this is not a valid order block. Reason, because there is no fair value gap around it. You understand? Price gets from here to this man that I marked here to here. You understand? This is accumulation of order, and this is also accumulation of order. You understand? So this is liquidity, and this is also a liquidity. Let's go over to this chart, to this man here. Now see, from here they sell they sell this market from the price of 0.05. Someone sells it from the price of 0.05 down. So getting to here, there is no liquidity, so they need to form a liquidity for them to be able to succeed, to make their profit. The SMCs need to form liquidity. So if you are not wise enough, if you are not calculative, if you are not good in doing your analysis, you fall into the hands of the SMCs, and they will get you liquidated. Now see, after all this, price still get down here. You understand? So what if after manipulating the markets here, after accumulating their order here, they decided to push it up from this point? What will be your fate? You know, for instance, after accumulating their order here, the market didn't go down, and there is something like this. Probably you've been liquidated. So see you in my next video. Love you guys. It's still your boy Ramsey Jr.